Hello babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. It has been a minute, as people say in the US. Been a while since we did some first impressions. I feel like during this time a lot of the launches have been put on hold, which is horrible because it's now we need it the most because we are all home and we are bored and we need some new products to play around with. I was therefore so excited to hear a knock on my door. Do you guys hear my stomach? Oh my god, I'm a little bit hungry as always. It was a knock on my door and the FedEx man came and was like, here you go. And I just saw it saying Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and I screamed. No, I didn't, that's not me, but I was like screaming inside, being super happy. So we are going to try out these new products, and I know some of you guys are probably a bit sick of the palettes. Anastasia Beverly Hills have come up with so many new palettes, and these from the Norvina collection, this is the new one, volume 4. What was I saying? Whatever, I am still very excited about it. This is how it looks. It's super cute and like this pastel-y pink. I think that the palette is gorgeous. I really love that it's more like a warm tone nude kind of palette, but it also has these super pretty, I mean these ones, oh my god. The glitters that they have in these palettes, or Anastasia's glitters in general, are just so mind-blowing. From just looking at it, I can see that I could get a lot of use out of this, but what I am most excited about in this little parcel, I also got the electric cake liners. I did not know that they were launching these, and when I saw them, I did not die, but I was very happy about it. I just love everything about it. It is magnetic, so you can have them stacked like this, which is really cute. This is the other one. It is a orange, a white, and I think, I don't really know, but this looks like a metallic purple. The neon green, you guys. Ooh. I know. It is a water-activated cake makeup. Formulated without parabens, gluten, phthalates, oil, mineral oil, and alcohol, and it's dermatological tested and cruelty-free and vegan. And then we also have some new lip glosses from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're just gonna try out all of that and make a really cool look. I'm gonna put on my beret so I'm feeling the look already. I don't wanna wait for my life to be over. Na, 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 na. For those of you that remember that song, where do you know it from? Because apparently it's from Dawson's Creek, but I only remember it from Shane Dawson's old videos. I'm gonna go in with B2. This like mauvey red brick color all over my lid, and I'm gonna blend it out with the A4, a very like taupey color. I feel like we have been through so many of these videos with Anastasia Beverly Hills, so you guys, do you even need to know what I think of the eyeshadows? Because I love them so much. I think that Anastasia Beverly Hills have one of the best eyeshadows out there, even though some people think what happened think that they are too powdery, which I don't think. Okay, let's use a little bit underneath here as well. And then for B2, oh, the pigment is so good. There we go, kind of shaped like cat eye. I am also going to use this underneath my eyes. Oh my god, my eyes look so blue. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. And then I'm just gonna use a super tiny little brush. This is a eyebrow brush, And I'm gonna go in with a 4 on that. And I'm gonna do my latest obsession that I do pretty much every day now when I wear makeup. And that is I create like a new tear duct in my inner corner. I'm gonna follow my natural line. Something like that. I usually do this little trick when I don't have any eyeshadow at all, so it looks super natural, but now it doesn't look natural, but we're just gonna go with it. I am thinking that we obviously need to try out the neon yellow, and this is more like a light neon, so it's not super neon. So we're gonna use that as my brow bone color. Also, I don't know if you guys saw, but earlier today, oops, it is dripping in here. Earlier today, I cut off half of my brow to make them more like go up and more pointy, which I've seen on the TikTok. I don't know if you guys even see a difference, but yeah. I think that that looks kind of cool actually. So I'm just gonna use this in the inner corner. Just gonna use it underneath this little line. In my opinion, it could be more neon, but I know that they have neon yellows in like all of the other palettes. So I totally get why they did a more subtle version. There we go. And then I think that that was pretty much it for this palette. I will probably use this a lot more in other videos, so don't you guys worry. Also, I can do like an Instagram video tomorrow so you guys can see a wearable look with this if you guys are interested. But now for these amazing cake lighteners, I think I'm gonna go in first with this orange one. I just put a little bit of water or setting spray into the cake liner, and then I use a fluffy brush like this, and we're gonna make like cool patterns. Oh, I love this. This looks so fun. I'm also going to use it underneath here. I mean, wow, I love it. It's just so easy to use and they're so pigmented. I actually just noticed, I thought that this was like magnetic, that I held together, but you can't take them off. They're sitting there like really hard. So that's good, I guess. Okay, we're gonna go in with the green one. And this one I'm gonna use in the middle of the eye and blend it into the orange. And then lastly, I think we're just gonna settle with the yellow one, and I'm gonna use this underneath and in the inner corner. I'm just gonna do a winged liner now with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in black. Saknar du mig? Saknar du mig? Ja. Ja. Oh. This little guy missed me, so now he's in my lap. Now the eyeliner is done. Oh, don't fall and don't eat my pencils, please. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes in, oops, in So Hollywood. These lashes have been my favorites for like a month now, and they are so pretty. So I'm just gonna apply those, and then I will also apply some of the Lash Brag, also mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys know. I was thinking if I should go in with like a neon lip, but it might be a little bit too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in Dainty Days. And also I did apply more pink to my nose because I think it looks cute. I actually just went in with the Lime Crime lip liner in Taupest on the outside of my lips, and I thought that that looked really cute, right? I think I still want a little bit of lip gloss at least. So this is the shade Nude from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Some Glow Mist from Pixie, and then we're done. Do I even have to say what I think about all of this? I'm obsessed. This is just something that I've been waiting for without knowing it. I love it so much and I cannot wait to try them out more, just like liners or do like dots, and they are just so easy to apply. 100% would recommend it. It feels so comfortable on my eyes and it's just such a cool look, I think. Also, this lip gloss and this lip combo. How pretty. And the palette, as I said, it's nothing like super special or so, but I still love to have it in my collection because it is, believe it or not, the colors that I use most of the time day to day. So yeah, that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed and I hope that we will see each other in my next video. So be sure to subscribe and like this video if you like. May. May.